guys hear that? That's the wind. I woke up at 6. It started raining, and I can barely hear it on the roof. And the rain went away, and then all of a sudden, like a freight train, wind just started blowing. The motorhome was doing this. And all I could think of is my friend in Tennessee who gets tornadoes. I'm thinking, do you have tornadoes in northern North Carolina? Do you hear it? Here, let me open the window a bit. I'll take you outside, but it's pitch dark. I can't see a darn thing out here. Stepping outside. Probably won't be able to see me, will you? Oh, jeez. Starting to rain a bit more. That was intense. Pretty cool. That's scary. Morning. It's 10 after 10. I'm really dragging my feet here. I gotta get to Kitty Hawk. That's where I'm going. That's where I'm taking you guys, to Kitty Hawk. This should be fun. You wanna come with me? Okay. But I'm also going to take you to another place. I'll surprise you with that one. It's going to be cool. But it's freezing. I woke up to 55 degrees. That's about it for the next 2 or 3 days. And I'm going to be out in the island in the middle of the ocean where I'm going to stay tonight. Where do you see this place? It's a campground. It was only $15. But man, it did ever get cold. It was so nice yesterday. In a few days, like around 75 Fahrenheit. This Harvest House was a farmer's market, but it's closed. It closes November 1st. I contacted the guy. You want to see? I'll show you. I'm in the back. The highway's right there. Where's my finger? There's the highway, and right behind those trees is the ocean. So I'm really close to the ocean again. I got huge property here. Thousands of cars could park here. And at the front, or at the back, at the front of my windshield, I got tractors everywhere. Look at them all. John Deere tractors. And my girlfriend didn't leave me because my tractor broke either. But last night, when it got dark, and I mean dark, a few times some cars would drive in here and just turn their headlights on. Like, I don't know why. They didn't need to. Then one vehicle up the truck came all the way down here and all the way around to the back, and they just parked there for, I think there's a dumpster behind there. I think he was illegally dumping stuff into the dumpster. So that's what I'm guessing. When I drive by there, I'll see if there's a dumpster. But anyways, let's get going. I want to get the engine going so I can get some heating on here. I mean, I got a furnace, but they use up a lot of, that's the furnace right there. You do use up a little bit of propane, not even way more than the refrigerator does. The refrigerator doesn't take anything. I've only used 2 propane tanks for the whole summer and my whole trip so far. Knock on the fridge. So I'm sitting here editing some videos. Hope to get another one up by tonight. Time I get situated where I'm going to be. I hope you enjoyed the breakfast one. To the Immigrant Song. Love Zeppelin. Best rock and roll band ever. Let's go. Let's get on the road. Okay, before we get into the road, I wanted to show you guys something. Okay, so I bought these paper towels here in the United States of America. And the ones I buy in Canada, see how the square here? That's a square piece of paper towel. Well, in America or in Canada, they're not. It's not one big piece of square. It's cut in half, so you get halves. You know, half. So it's like I bought these, and I bought like 8 rolls of them. I think I don't use a whole square. It's a waste. I use it like a half of a square, which becomes a triangle. So I was getting mad because I was wasting so much. So what I did, I glued on. I cut out of the foil box, a box of foil I have, which I hardly ever use, and I cut out the, the sharp blade that they have in there. Ow! And I just taped that on there. So when I bring down my paper towel, get about halfway, and I just go, whoop! I can just rip it in half. You want to see me do it? No, I'm not going to show you. Almost forgot to get gas. So I'm going to be on a 2-hour drive across this island. They call the Outer Banks. So I'm going to make sure I got lots of gas out there. So I'm sure there's no gas stations out on the Outer Banks, but maybe, I don't know. But just to be safe, I'm going to get gas. And my God, look at the price, $3.39. It's so low compared to where I've been at $3.69, $79, $89. So I'm loving that price. I'm coming up to the big long bridge to go over to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, and I'm 6 minutes away from Kitty Hawk. Look at this. Wow. That bridge is higher up than mine, so I can't see over there. This one's lower a bit. Can you see that? Yeah, I guess you can. This goes right over to the Outer Banks, and then Kitty Hawk's along there somewhere over there. Well, actually, no, it's pretty much straight ahead. So. This is cool. I'm liking it. I'm right back down here at the ocean in Kitty Hawk, the town of Kitty Hawk, and the highway takes me to Kitty Hawk, but I wanted to show you these houses. They're all on stilts, and then some of them have framing because of the flooding. It's all flood from storms that come off this ocean up here. That's up there. I'm gonna see if I can find a little place to park up here, but I'm gonna take the side road to get to Kitty Hawk. About 6 minutes away. Look at all these houses here, all on stilts.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Bennett Street.
Just in case the water comes, they don't have to worry about their basements flooding. Look at these ones over here. Whoop! Look at that. The whole house is up on stilts. I hope it doesn't spring when I'm out on the island here. This reminds you of Jamaica sometimes, or the Caribbean. Some homes are like this, are built like this. Right? Ocean front. Ocean view front.
Take the next right onto Bennett Street.
Now I'm going to go down a little farther, okay? Google Maps. I'm not even using Waze right now. Oh, what's that say?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto 1249 East Eckner Street.
Now I'm going to go farther. Finally able to find a place to park here. Because all it was houses on one side of the road and big tall sand piles on the other one. You know this guy? Look at that big black horse. This is called the Pelican Brief Seafood Company. It's a restaurant everybody's going to this morning. But I'm taking you to the ocean. My favorite place in the whole world. Look at the birds. This town reminds me of the movie The Birds. Remember that little seaside town? Oh man, look at this. Oh, jeez. The stairs are covered in sand. Here we go. We're gonna turn you around. Woohoo! Look at this. Okay, I'm sure you can hear the wind. Look at that house. Actually, all the houses are like on this side. This is just one small part. There was no houses. I don't know, because they can't build here or they just haven't built yet. But the Wright Brothers Memorial is over there. Still about 3 more minutes away, but I want to come down to the ocean first and just chill for a few minutes. I can see the motorhome over there. See it? Right there? Parked in the parking lot. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the Wright Brothers Memorial. Now, those of you who don't know what Kitty Hawk is, I'm sure everybody knows Kitty Hawk is. This is the town where the Wright Brothers took their very first flight in their plane. So, in case you didn't know that, I'm sure everybody does. It's a bit chilly. It's 52 degrees Fahrenheit. I just went into the restaurant because it smelled so good. I thought maybe I'll go in there and get some fish and chips or something. Because it's almost lunchtime, but it's too crowded in there, man. Holy moly. And I was asking the lady, I said, so I saw a picture of the Wright Brothers plane. I said, is there a museum or a location where the actual plane was? Do they still even have it? I don't know. I don't really know the history about it a lot. All I know is that they took off in a plane for the very first time. So, she said that there's the memorial's down the street. There's a museum as well, so that's where I'm going right now. Oh, it's cold today. It was 75 yesterday. Coming up to the Wright Brothers, there it is, Wright Brothers National Memorial. You see that sign? I guess the mirror's in the way. Look at that funky tree. Oh, speed bumps. An RVer's worst nightmare. Speed bump. Hate those things. Oh. Okay, I can turn the Jeep. Okay, what do we got here? Entrance fees. $10 a person. Wright Brothers National Memorial. 35 tomorrow. You can see it's 80 free integrity. So it looks like I have to pay $35 for the memorial and $10 for the entrance. Okay, let's go see. So that's the hill with the big memorial at the top of there. Where they came, this is they came down this hill and they flew across this field right here. But I'm gonna go park the motorhome. I'm gonna go into the museum. I don't know if they're charging today or not, but I'm gonna take a walk way up the top of that hill. Okay, let's go. Got my wallet in case I need money. I don't know. I don't know if it's free or not here. Lock up the Class C motorhome. Okay, let's walk over to the museum first.